Hey, this is Brian with King Grizzly, and we're continuing our Elementor Pro Widgets walkthrough series. Last time I did price list. This time I think I'll do price table. I do need to circle back and get to the gallery because this is kind of a newer, updated thing. So anyway, pricing tables, are great for a layout like this. I grabbed this off of Envato Elements pre-built block, but yeah, if you had an app for sale or like a subscription service, it's just a really great professional looking way to show pricing. And oftentimes we see this like this one where you have more than one price point and you're really trying to push sort of like that middle tier. Um, Incidentally, if I were pricing these, there's a sort of psychological trick where if you have three price points, um, if you put the middle one so that it's not that much more than the lowest one, and then the top one is like more astronomically expensive. So this in this example, I'd probably do like say 59.99, 79.99, 199.99, because it's been shown that people they'll see the 59 one and then they'll see the next one up that's not that much more and go, oh, well, I could at least get those features, right? And then the one that's way higher, like the people who are going to buy that, they're going to buy it like no matter what. So anyway, that's totally unrelated, but something I had picked up on. So with these price points would probably need to be adjusted if you're into I don't know, trying to sell a specific product. Anyway, and of course the middle one would be the one you're wanting to sell anyway. So getting back to the topic at hand, like how do these widgets work? I click on this one, go to content. These are really nice. They're intuitive. Product name. So I don't know what I'm selling. I'm going to be selling an app. It's going to be a hat picker app. That's horrible, isn't it? Helps you pick a hat monthly. So we can set a subtitle. We can set the H value of that. They don't offer H1 because this is probably not going to be the H1 on any page ever, which is smart markup. We can style the pricing, change the formatting there a bit, to your preference. You can choose a lot of different currencies. You could even choose something custom, which I've never tried, but then you can put that symbol in here. So that's nice. Because these aren't really necessarily tied to like a cart, a WooCommerce. It's just informational. So you're just saying like, what the value is. You can set the period, it's monthly, or maybe I don't need to set that period. Features, we can go through here, delete features. I can click on one. I can change the icon. I can upload my own SVG if I want. I could change the color of that icon. Right. Oops. Very, very intuitive. The footer is going to be your button. So where it says get it now, we can set that to whatever we want. Click here. And then your link. The disclaimer can be whatever. And you could put a little HTML in here if needed, I believe. So let's just try putting in a link. Make sure that I'm right about that. Yeah, so then that would actually link to your disclaimer if you needed to do that. The ribbon would be sort of this call out where it says popular. I can hide it. I can show it. Oftentimes this is going to be sale. And you can move it left and right. And then we just have styling options. So we go over to style. Maybe that color is just not quite cutting yet. I need pink, purpley pink. And then just going on down the list, it's possible to adjust the padding on these things, color, pricing, even the pricing. I can adjust the size of the symbol and the fractional part if I wanted to, but I can set the background color too. So if I didn't want white for some reason, let's say I wanted to go with like a grayish color, I could set it here, and then on the feature list, the same thing, background color, right? Just got to find the right one. And then same for the footer, so that you can just actually set different background colors. And you might even have a reason one's different from another. And they all have controls like padding. What else? Yeah, so we see there's a border radius on the button here, which, it's like rounded corners. Maybe I don't want that. Yeah, fairly straightforward. And then the ribbon itself, you can set color on that. set the distance we want it from the edge. It's just a really nice widget for making a good looking page. I made this look horrible after messing with it, but it's pretty easy to get a professional looking layout with price point comparisons using this price table widget. So definitely recommend this one. Please consider subscribing to this playlist or channel. We're going to keep rolling out Elementor videos. And if there's anything you want us to cover, let us know and we'll do our best to make a video about it. All right, thank you.